Stop using boring backgrounds in your design. Instead, try these vibrant liquid paint effect in your next design. Today, let's see how we can create this in Canva. For this, open a new design. Now click on background color. Here, go to gradients. Now add colors here like white, red, and yellow. Here, choose the circular gradient style. Now keep on adding colors to it. The key here is to choose contrasting colors and repeat the pattern. If required, use the color picker tool to select the same colors. Once it's done, download this image as PNG. Upload it again on the next page. Here, adjust it to the center. Now go to App section. Here, search for Wrap Brush. Choose the first brush option. Now adjust the brush size and strength. Now take the brush and move around it freely. You can use linear or circular strokes depending on the results you want. Keep doing this until you are satisfied with the result. Then click on Add to Design. After this, enlarge the image to fit on the page. Here, after duplicate this page and go to Edit. Here we can go to Duotone and search from different options that goes with our design. For now, we will go to Edit and then Adjust option. And try different variation to polish our main image. Here, either you can take a screenshot and try the same variables or experiment with different option to get the desired result. Now duplicate this page. And in this next page, go to Color Edit. Here, vary the filters like hue, saturation, and brightness. As you can see by these adjustments, we can achieve the same liquid paint effect, but in different colors like blue, purple, green, or others. Like this, in just few minutes, we can achieve this stunning paint effect. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. And comment below which one you liked the most. Watch these next video to know about more such amazing apps in Canva.